Thank you once again. I'm going to show you how you have to install your pfSense. pfSense is like a connect to one network. It have to be connected to the internet, and I create two LANs in pfSense. And for now, I'm going to show you how you install a pfSense computer. It's like a firewall used for security system. Okay, first I have to create it. pfSense. Okay, it is a BCD. I use let me use 64-bit. Do this and put it there, my lamp. I go for 16. Yes, I go next. I finish. I come here. I go for network adapter. Okay, it's fine if it is not here, it's no problem. I go for storage, empty. pfSense, it is here. For you, if you don't have, I use VirtualBox many times, it is listed here, but for you, you can choose from a disk file where you have installed your operating system of pfSense. You come and search it. Okay, for me it is this one, and I have finished to add it. It is this one. Okay, I have to complete, and I have to go click OK and wait for it starting. Okay, it is now start. Let's go here in order to see it very well. We are installing pfSense. Okay, I have to accept. I click OK for installing. Okay, okay. I have to check this, see that star, this star. I click OK, and I go for yes, and I have to wait. Okay, before I reboot, I have to come here and I have to uncheck this. I know you are familiar with this, and then reboot. It's asking me type exit. Okay, I type it. You see, I have these errors, but no problem. I come here, and after that I will do reset. My computer will come. Okay, for now it is down, now done. Let me switch it off. In order for setting it well, I come where here it is located, I click, I come to network adapter. Okay, I will go for bridged. Okay, it will be bridged, but I want it to be on wireless. Okay, but I have to come to adapter 2. Okay, remember pfSense require LANs. Okay, I come here. For you, I'm going to set LANs tools. What I search is network manager. For you, when VirtualBox is different, you will come and go to preference. Sometime you will find the network manager located to preferences. Okay, for now I have created it, but let me delete it. Delete all of this. Okay, what I do, I create, I will change this. Sorry, let me type the IP address. I will name it LAN 1. I make sure this is checked and I apply. See, and I create LAN 2. The IP address 192.168.20.0. I go for this and I apply. You see, now I have two LANs, the first one and the second one. Okay, it is now okay. Now it is good. When I come back to the pfSense, I go for setting. I go for network, to the network adapter. I check it. You see, I go for NAT network. It will give me LAN 1. Okay, adapter 2, I check it. I go for NAT network. I choose LAN 2. Okay, when I click it here and I go to see it again, wait for the start. Okay, okay, for now, as you see, I'm reaching the interface of my pfSense. Now my pfSense is installed very well. What's remaining is the configuration of the pfSense. So thank you for following the installation. You can configure anything you want in your pfSense. Okay, thank you.